Okay, Math SL students, here is how you do this first homework problem. Jake beats Marcos at chess 70% of the time, assuming the probability is constant and the games are independent. What is the probability that Jake will beat Marcos in at least 16 of the 20 games? Okay, so there's three things that we need. We know how many games there are. There's 20 games, right? The probability of winning is 70%, right? Now here's the tricky part. We know that we want to see Jake winning at least 16%. So we would write that as the probability is that he's going to win. X is greater than or equal to 16 as if he's going to win 16%. So if he's going to win 16 of the games out of 20, that's the same thing. Your calculator only does less than, right? So if it's, think of it this way, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 15, right? 1, 2, 3, up to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. If I'm going to win 16 or greater, that's the same thing as 1 minus winning 15 or less, okay? Because the winning 16 or greater would be this, right? And all of these add up to 100%, right? So we need a probability of 1 minus the probability of less than 15, okay? So you may want to re-listen to that and think about it. So to get Binomcdf, you have to do second vars on your calculator. Then you're going to arrow down to Binomcdf. You're going to hit enter, 20, and then this is my percentage of winning, and 15. So we'll do it right now. Okay, so I'm going to hit second vars. And then I get this. Now don't accidentally hit normal. See, we're going down to Binomcdf. Enter. And now I'm going to write 20 because that's how many trials we've got. We've got 20 games, comma. And now our chance of winning is 70%, 0.7, comma. And now we need to get less than 15. So we're going to put 15 here. Enter. Now, this is the probability of getting, this is the probability of getting less than 15 correct, or winning less than 15 games out of 20. Now, what's the probability of getting greater than 16 is 1 minus this value. So if I do 1 minus 0.762, that's going to give me 0.2375. And rounding up to 3 sig figs, that is 0.238. And that is the percentage chance of winning, the probability of winning 16 out of 20 games. Remember, your answer must be between 0 and 1. Your answer must be between 0 and 1. I hope this helps.